1, 2. Okay.
Came in the game and I changed up the climate. They taking notes, yeah, they study my timing. I'm in the ghost and I'm not even driving.
Weekly update. All right, you guys have seen those. So, trailing arms, A-arms are just about completely done. We got the sway bar brackets are in and welded and done on that part. Ooh, she's big dog. You see it's got drain holes in it, all nice and pocketed. The military wraps are done on the back side. We just got to do the front side. And then the shock tabs on it, which I might leave those off for now until we get everything in the car and we can cycle stuff, because you never know. We might want to make a tweak, and it's sure a lot easier to not have to cut something off. And these are just super easy to weld on anyway, and it'll only take a few minutes. The tie rod box is all done. This is what would attach with all the swingers and everything. So I believe swingers here, swinger here, tie rod, heim joint, tie rod, heim joint. And that is our steering swinger box. Same with stuff. Everything is not much changed over here. But something new. Gary's Ranger. I can finally say we got some stuff done on it. Which I know. I've had a lot of crap from some of you guys that nothing ever gets done on it. Well, the CAD modeling is done. We have a fabricated bumper and fabricated mounts, everything. This is a bolt-on bumper. It was pretty confusing and hard, but my boy Troy, we got it all done. We scanned everything. Everything came out awesome. And look at what this is. Same hood tilt mechanism as Lee Latimer's F100, which is awesome because we really like this thing. It just works so good. So that is done. This is a fully bolt-in. The frame horns are all completely welded in, pocketed. We had to get a little creative on the mounts here because these lights that are pocket right in here, we had to have clearances for those. We got a recessed mount, picks up, comes into the frame horn. This is all done and welded. The lower tube structure, we have this piece here for the skid plate, which is just sitting here. Sorry about the noise, it's probably loud. That's just sitting in there now. We can build a skid plate for it, line everything up to where we want, weld it out. Lower radiator mount is in, done, welded. Top mount is just sitting here, so it is not permanent, but we have the tabs. They're ready to weld. We have rubber under the radiator. We still have to get change the hardware out to the radiator to the right stuff, and then run our whatever rubber / UHMW type washers, so then we can keep paralysis down. So everything will be 100% rubber mounted. Otherwise, this bumper came out really good. Corey did a very, very nice job of blending all of this out. We have a few little spots just to touch up here and there. Otherwise, this thing is almost done, which I'm very excited. We have next thing to make is, these aren't the actual brackets right here on this end, but these are just sitting here so you guys can see. We have to put the right ones on here. We'll build our header panel, which is already designed and done. We just got to cut the tubes, bend them, weld them, do our hood tilt structure, brackets to hold the headlights on, and mount his few accessories. Then it can go back to Gary. He'll have to do, you know, some rerouting of his hoses, electrical work, stuff like that, and then he can go have some fun in the desert. We did leave the hood off. It actually looks really, really nice with the hood on, but I wanted you guys to kind of see everything that we did here and how nice it came out. I'm very happy with this one, and I think Gary is very happy also. But yeah, we have a few more tubes cut on the F100. We're going to start cutting more. I'm hoping the next week or so we'll get our machine billet parts for the shock tower. That's kind of what's limiting us. Once we get those, then we can really start making tubes. All the fixtures are cut, everything's like that. We're going to let Jeff weld out while the fixture table's up in the air and not on the ground. He's going to weld out the upper shock tower for the F100, get that one ready to go. Then we'll break the table down, put it on the ground, attach it to the end, and it will be ready to go. Otherwise, we've been plugging away, very busy. The boys have been killing it. Corey and Jeff are doing awesome. Can't thank those guys enough for everything that they do and all the hard work they put on, and Troy too. All those guys, this is a team effort, absolutely. Without one, nothing gets done. So we run an assembly line and it is doing very good. Very excited, and we'll see you guys next week for a new update.
Yeah, they barely surviving. They try to copy the fit but can't buy it. Ice on my neck and it's causing a riot. You know a queen let me never stay quiet. Everything I touch it turns into gold. Midas. Came from the mud, now the view